CISP 1560 does not require a purchased textbook. Your reading and video assignments are found on the web and your work is completed at home. After reviewing this tutorial, you should be able to navigate to the course content page of D2L and access course content. Our course is organized in an outline format. Modules, similar to a chapter in a textbook, have a name and are numbered consecutively. Each module has 3 sections: Section A, Overview, Section B, Tutorials, and Section C, Graded Assignments. The Overview section provides module objectives and an index of materials to read or view. The Tutorials section provides the text and video materials for the module. The Graded Assignments section contains study questions, web quest, writing assignments, instructions for discussion projects, and quizzes. With the exception of study questions, all assignments in that section have a grade associated with them. Each of the sections are organized by topics. Topics contain instructions and course materials. Topics are numbered consecutively and have names that reflect the subject matter in the topic. Using Module 1 as an example, this is what an outline of Module 1 might look like if you found it in a textbook. You would open your book to the first page of Module 1, turn to the page containing the section Overview, look for the topic heading Objectives, and begin reading the Module 1 objectives. Let's translate that activity into our textless class in the online environment of D2L and using Module 1 of our course as the example. The course content area is the hub of this class. It contains the goals for each assignment, the reading materials, instructions on how to complete activities, and information about work that will be turned in and graded. You reach the course content area by clicking Materials on the nav bar and then selecting the Course Content link. The course content page is divided into 2 panes. The Table of Contents, or TOC pane, on the left outlines the course's content by module name and section name. You cannot see the actual documents that contain the assignments on the TOC pane. You expand the outline on the TOC pane to display all of the sections in that module by clicking on the module name. The outline on the TOC pane is collapsed by clicking on the TOC header on the Table of Contents pane. The content pane is on the right. It is context sensitive to what you select on the TOC pane and displays the topics and course materials that belong to each module. When you click on a module in the TOC pane, all of the section and topic names appear in the content pane. When you find a topic on the content pane and click on it, your assignment sheets and our course documents will display. In this demonstration, we click on the Objectives topic on the Overview section to display the module objectives. There are various methods to expand and collapse the topics in the content pane. Some of these you will have to explore on your own, but in the remainder of this tutorial, we will take a look at how to close a document using the breadcrumb menu and an alternate method using the side panel. Both methods will make the content pane reappear. The breadcrumb menu allows you to keep track of your location in D2L. If a document is open and visible on the D2L document page, the breadcrumb menu is found at the top of the document. Follow the mouse cursor as it points to the breadcrumb menu. Here is where we are, in the Objectives document. The Objectives document is found in the Overview section. This overview is in Module 1. Clicking on any one of the links will take us to that location on the content pane. In this example, we will click on Module 1 on the breadcrumb menu. If you pay attention to the TOC pane after you select an option on the breadcrumb menu, you will notice the TOC pane displays your current location on its outline. If you wanted to collapse the TOC view, simply click on the TOC header. This time, we will use the Side Panel tab to go back to the content pane. Again, we will use the Objective document as the example. Our cursor points to the side panel. Click on the side panel to open it. We can then step our way backwards to the TOC and Content Panel page. However, you can experiment on your own and discover how to do that. In this example, I'm going to click on the TOC link and return to the course content view. When you are ready to view the course home, just click on the course home link under Materials on the nav bar, or click on the course name in the Select a Course list box found at the top of the D2L banner. Well, this concludes our tutorial on how our course content is organized. But if you have any questions, let your instructor know. I'm sure a helpful response will be provided.